What are you guys doing? We are back with another banger ass video, guys. Today in this video, we are going to be starting a new series. It is called Seriously Stupid Logic. Tell me if this adds up. So, guys, today, this is going to be the first episode of it. So, I'm going to show you guys a tiny bit of it, you guys. So, my question is, I got one question for you guys. It was winter time, and you ever wanted like a cold bottle of water, and you didn't have a freezer or anything? Get your water, and then after that, follow me, guys. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. This is my door. And this is the outside part of my door. Water. You see that snow over there? I'm not wearing any shoes, so we're gonna do this quick. See this? There's the water. I already threw one in there earlier, if you guys. Okay, hold up. I'm freezing. I don't even got no shoes on. I'm freezing. Okay, hold up. This is my mom's. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what she's doing. Okay, so it's snowing outside. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys from the window. And here he is, my cat. His name is Tux because when you put on a tux, his like the whole suit black, and I want you to see that little white part down here. So I don't understand why he goes outside. Look at this. Go ahead, man. And that's what we call him, man. But his name's Tux. There we go. Now I'm gonna show you guys. Hold up. You guys can still hear my voice, right? Okay. Good. Okay. So now I'm in the window. See you. That's the bottle that I put out there earlier. And then I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Okay. I'm gonna go out there real quick. Don't freeze my ass off. So, try to zoom the camera out. Okay. Here we go. If you guys don't see that is the water bottle that I just put outside. Now, this is the water bottle I put out there earlier. So, we're gonna get this water bottle. I really can't put the camera down because it's freezing outside, so you know. So, I don't know where the other water bottle is, so we're basically, you know how this is gonna be. So I'm gonna grab this water. It's freezing. And look at. Oh my guys. Okay. I'm gonna close my door. I know it just got super dark in here. Now I'm gonna take off my boots. Matter of fact, I'm gonna open up the door so you guys can see a little bit late. Okay. So here be. Alright. Taking off my boots. I don't understand why I keep zooming in. And I have very little battery left, so hopefully this does not die on me. So guys, this is basically the end. This is going to be a short little series. I'm not going to do it for long. All the videos are probably going to be, give or take, 4 to 5 minutes. Like, for instance, this video. Look at that. And my door just opened back up again. So, guys, yeah. So, this is the water that I threw out there, like 10 or something? I don't know. Okay. So, this is the water. It's freezing cold in my hands. We're gonna drink some. And it's not really gonna hurt you because the outliner of it is just snow. So as long as you don't just start licking the bottle for some weird reason, you'll be okay. Jeez Louise, bro, I can just tap it like this. And there's water gonna come out. Look at this. Okay, so enough of that. We're just gonna take a sip. I'm messy. Ugh. Yeah. Yes, that is freezing cold water. That's really good. Thank you guys for watching this video. And I got a new outro for this video, guys. The outro for this video is gonna be